2023 Volvo XC90. Time for regular maintenance has popped up on the dash. We're gonna reset that, okay? All right, so the car's running. We're gonna turn the car off. Foot off the brake. You're gonna turn the switch 3 times, okay? You're looking for the message on the dash. It shows up, it says put your foot on the brake, start. We're not gonna do that. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're gonna press and hold down this minus button. We're holding this minus button the whole time. And now we're gonna put our foot on the brake and we're gonna start the car, okay? All right, car is started. We're holding the minus sign. Now right up here on the top, we're waiting for an eye to start flashing. As soon as it does, we're gonna let go of the minus sign, okay? Let go. And it says, let me zoom or focus, maintenance, reminder to reset, all right? So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me, support the channel by hitting subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below.